Welcome to Money Karma. In today's video, I will show you how to make an affiliate Amazon website to make money online. And I will give you a lot of details on how to make this very easily. So stay tuned and watch the whole video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more videos. Alright, welcome to part 2. I will show you how to use the WooZone plugin with the Amazon website. Alright, we're on Amazon right now. Okay, and you can see that this little tab on the top, this is the WooZone direct import, and what it does is it imports any items that I want. And what it does, it links my Amazon affiliate ID to it once I add that item to the cart. Okay, so let's choose some of the categories that I want. Today let's just come down to the beauty. Where's beauty at? Okay, beauty and personal care, and I can show you how quickly this is done. I'm just going to do a quick search. I did quite a bit of these already, like we had eyes, lips, and nails, and then I'm going to choose nails. Let's do nails today, okay? Alright, so these are nail items that these are the most popular ones, so I just click I wish I guess you know, my most wished for, and I try to select items that are over $10. There's no point in trying to promote something that's under $10. So okay, so let's do this, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna just right click, open it in a new tab, and I take this one, open it in a new tab, take this one, open a new tab, take this one, open a new tab, take this one, open in a new tab, $10 is okay, and this one $24 is okay, 46 is okay. Okay, so just do 10 items for you guys. Okay, so 10 items. Software is still loading. Look, there's a lot of recommended items that are very popular, very high star that you can promote, and you can always add as many items as you like. You saw that earlier on my website. That I have added quite a lot of items. So it's still loading, so I'm going to go back to the website. You can see, let's go back to the dashboard. I have already added like over 200 items, and you can see all these items. And then this one has the statistics of items that people directly click. If they clicked on the item and they went to the Amazon website, what it does is updates it over here. Okay, and then the more people click on items, it gets updated in this website. Okay, so you see, it even has statistics on showing that it was redirected to Amazon, so you can see your affiliate if you made money through your affiliates. Okay, so I have about 238 products, and then you have about 83 of them review, and then some products that I used to have it where you can choose to add cart, but now I took that off. Okay, so okay, some of the items have loaded. Let me go back. Okay, as you can see, this item just pulled up, and what you do, all you have to do is pull this item up, and you see automatically this importer just pulls it up here and opens it. And what we do, all we do is just hit this little cloud button over here, and then bam, so it gets, that's it, that's all it takes, you just get this imported to your site right away. And after that, I'm just going to close this tab and go to another one. Same thing, just hit this tab, boom, the whole item just gets added to your cart, into your website. And then just hit the little cloud, boom, it gets added. And also this thing is really good, it can detect duplicates. If you have duplicates, it will not add it, it will give you a warning. and it will not allow you to add duplicates because it uses the ASN number. It's a unique Amazon identifier number. Okay, so this one loads. Okay, so you see, that's it. You don't even have to do any typing or adding posts. You just use that app and it automatically adds it. You can choose other importers, but this is a good way to add the items that you want. You don't want everything. You can add the variations, but I just sometimes go simple and not just add the item itself. Okay, so this one's done. Alright, here's another one. Okay, so this one has two variations. I'm going to try the variations for you so you can see the two variations. It's going to add those two for me. That's just loading, so sometimes if it has a lot of pictures, it may take a little longer than what it should. And then sometimes the variations may cause a little problems, but this one added okay, so it went in okay. So we're just going to close the tab again. Okay, so you see gotta add this one again. Bam, everything got added. Okay, so this is my last item. Okay, good, all my nail items got added. Okay, so let's go back to our website. That's not our website. Okay, so let's look at all the items that just came in. So we'll go to my content spinner and we'll see the items there first. Okay, so you saw all the items earlier, from that little nail dryer to these items. Okay, let's choose maybe the C10 because we did 10. Okay, so what I do is very easy. So just you come here to the content spinner, spin it, just save it. You can choose how many words you want to replace, 10 or 30 or more, or you want to replace all of them. But when you replace all of them, it makes it really kind of hard to read. So I try to do about 30. Okay, so let's do 30 and let's go through all these. See, this is how you make your content a little bit more unique, different from Amazon's. Alright, I'm done. So, okay, so let's go check out one of these items. Let's look at it. Let's just view it. Okay, I'm loading that. It's loading. Oh, okay, so I had some items in my cart. It's been removed from the cart, but it's okay. But you can see the item that was in Amazon is now on my site at $46. It has a short description of it. Look at it. Look at this. Okay, let's go back and look at this item. This is one of earlier. It's like a whole kit. So this item right here at $45. I think, was that the one? No. Okay, this one right here, $46. 1,000 reviews. Look at the comparison, guys. So in the Amazon site like this, okay, all the content here. All right, and on my site. Okay, and you can see that. And once I click the buy from Amazon, the people like it, if they come and review it, guess what happens? It gets automatically sent to that item and then people can add it to their cart. So this is how you can build affiliate commissions, okay? And you can see that up here because I added to show that it was a duplicate if I want to add it again, so it won't allow me to add any more to my page. So it links my website to Amazon, to the product itself. So this is a very powerful option and feature for this software. Okay, so this is the WooZone software, and automatically has the titles if you come and look at it. Let's go back and to the same product. Okay, So it produces the items, and then automatically we can publish it. And it basically, over time, it will get indexed in Google, and it automatically assigns the categories for you. It automatically creates categories. See how it kind of automatically places itself under beauty care, foot and nail polish, and nails, and you know, whatever this is, Beetle Joe, that's the name of this, nail polish. So you can see how easy it is to link and create affiliate links from Amazon to your own site, okay, with this software. Okay, so this is the Woo Zone. Let me see if I can find this one for you and show you where it is. Alright, so this is the Woo Zone. This software is about $70, but this is a bundle. You can buy this a little bit cheaper for $40-something, okay? But if you want to buy the bundle, you can buy the bundle. I'll leave a link in the descriptions for this, okay? So you guys can check it out, and then if you're interested in this one. So this is the Woo Zone, called the Woo Zone Amazon affiliate plugin, and you can buy the bundle. This whole thing, this bundle is for $70, but you can buy the Woo Zone affiliate. I think this is the one for $49. So okay, so this is the one. Okay, I won't show all the features, but next time I'll show a little bit more features. So I just wanted to introduce this these two softwares, the Woo Zone Amazon affiliate WordPress plugin, and also this one, the electronic store plugin that works in conjunction to create this lovely, beautiful website that has Amazon products. Okay, feel free to come and check out my website if you want, but basically it's a nice, beautifully made website. Okay, so I need to make that change at the bottom next time. So all these items are, let's go look at the categories that we added. What was it called? It was in the makeups. And that was for nails. Okay, foot and nail, here we go, nails. So you see all these products from earlier, see how it's nicely organized already, it's sorted into the categories that it needed to be in. So these are the 10 items that we added earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 items, these two are the same, but maybe different sellers. So. Okay, so this is it guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Come check out my website. Check out these two products if you want, Electro WooCommerce theme, and also the Woo Zone affiliate plugin. So these two work in conjunction with this one, direct port extension. So you can always Google or look up videos on YouTube on how this thing works. So if you need help, I can always send me a message and I can help you set these things up. Okay, so here's the website. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a thumbs up on the descriptions, and then you can find ways on how you can make a little bit more money through affiliate sites to save you time and choose the items that you want. And also please subscribe and leave a like, and don't forget to hit that bell notification for more future videos. Okay? Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.